Hello, and welcome to My Money Grows, where we discuss all things online. Today's topic is 4 ways on how to make money online without paying anything. Making money online has become increasingly popular in recent years, and there are many ways to do it without spending a dime. Here are 4 ways to make money online without paying anything. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money online without paying anything. If you have skills such as writing, graphic design, or web development, you can offer your services on freelance platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. You can set your own rates and work with clients from all over the world. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another way to make money online without paying anything. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services on your website, blog, or social media, and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. You don't have to create your own product or handle any inventory, making it a low-risk way to make money online. Online surveys. Online surveys are a way to make money online without paying anything. Companies are constantly seeking feedback from their customers, and they're willing to pay for it. You can sign up for online survey sites such as Swagbucks, Junkie, and Vindale Research and earn money for completing surveys. Content creation. Content creation is a way to make money online without paying anything. If you have a talent for creating content, such as videos, podcasts, or blogs, you can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Platforms such as YouTube, Twitch, and Patreon provide creators with ways to earn money from their content. Those were the 4 ways on how to make money online without paying anything. If you're interested in any of these methods, be sure to do your research and find the ones that best suit your skills and interests. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.